Hello guys, now we're going to be figuring out the lineal feet of plate materials that we need for our bottom plates and our top plates. If these materials are all going to be the same, it's as easy as just multiplying your dimension of the wall times 3. For example, this 30-foot wall that we had again, it was going to be from here to here, 30 feet. So now, like I was telling you, if it's all the same material, where it doesn't have to be treated and regular SPF or yellow pine, whatever you're working with, like I was mentioning, the 30 times 3 would give me my 90 lineal feet of plate material. So if I had 90 and I wanted to divide it by 14-foot pieces of stock, I need to figure out how many pieces of material are going to fit into that 90 lineal feet. So I'll get my calculator and just multiply, or actually I'm going to get the 90 and I'm going to divide it by the size of materials, 14 footers that I'm going to order. That would give me 6.42 or 7 pieces of material that I need for this here. So 6.42, which equals to quantity 7, 2 by 4 by 14 footers, SPF number 2. But say we're figuring out the bottom plates on a slab-on grade house, where now the bottom plate has to be treated, then I would want to separate those numbers. So for example, this 30-foot wall, once again, I'm saying 30 times 1 would equal 30 lineal feet of treated material. And then 30 times 2 would equal my 60 lineal feet of regular SPF number 2. So like I said, sometimes you'll have to separate these numbers to find the amount of treated plate material, and sometimes you can just sum it all together if it's going to be on a cross-based foundation where it doesn't, the code doesn't mandate that the bottom plate be treated.